One up your this is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Vechain once again. Thank you for your support. So, hope you're involved in the Patreon. There was a live stream yesterday that we did, and we answered so many questions. Do get involved in that community right now. And yeah, I've put the video on YouTube. So there's some beautiful little altcoin gems in there moving forward. A lot of people said to me, how did you know we weren't in a bear market? Okay, and I've always said, if you look at the thumbnails and if you listen to me, I said Vechain is giving the game away. I kept saying that. Vechain is giving the game away. And the reason was because I said to you, we're going through a rinse repeat of wave 2. Okay, we had the several waves down. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 waves down. Okay, exactly the same in the RSI. We hit a level of support in the RSI as well. Look down there, boom. It's absolutely playing out like a boss, you know. I'm not saying it's going to conclusively play out like a boss, but so far it is, and this is what we have to adhere to, isn't it? The one thing we didn't have here is a correction, but when you look at it like that, look, we had this wave up high, wave 2 down, wave 3 high, whatever you want to call it, and then a wave down. Look, so you've had a wave high, wave low, and now you're forming this wave high. This bit here, what we didn't have is this wick down to this 55, which is what I was anticipating for September. So I'm not saying it won't happen, okay, but so far it's not happened, has it? You know, and I would like to see it happen, to be honest with you, but I think we might be too far gone now. I think we might be too far gone because of the fact that we've broken this high here, we might not see this whopping correction in September that everyone's anticipating as well. It is because everyone's anticipating that it might not actually happen. Do you understand that? It's a contrarian thought. So yeah, I mean, it's doing everything it needs to. It's rinse repeat. I said to you in the thumbnails and in the videos, we've basically got a cheat sheet here. You know, you're looking at retracement, you're looking at extensions, you're looking at continuation. It's very much a rinse repeat of wave 2 is wave 4. So this is why the whole way down here says no, there's no bear market here. We're low out, we're looking to continuation. And I remember down here as we broke up, I said to you, look, Vechain will just be gone. And right now it has, you know, from this low down here, when we start to get above this 55, you know, it's gone up a whopping 119%, okay? That we're creating technical bullish reversal patterns as well here, you know, as we were here, falling wedge, broken out, level of resistance, you've got technical targets to retrace to the upside. And that's exactly what it's doing, you know, coupled with the fact that you came down to the exact trend line on the RSI, on the weekly, in 7 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, load out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, load out. Do you understand that? Okay, so sometimes you just got to move to the left, okay? And people say if you know, it's happened before, it doesn't happen again, but charting can actually be that simple. So, you know, I'm just simplifying it for you. This is why all the way down here I was not calling a bear market, I was calling a corrective phase of a bull market, given the fact that we were looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves of Elliott wave theory. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's looking absolutely fantastic, isn't it, for continuation? We're breaking this high, we're looking at the full retracement, we're breaking out of key levels of resistance, you've got technical targets to the upside, not to the downside. You've got support levels if those levels of resistance that you're breaking are lost, okay, for Vechain. But so far so good, you know, so far so good. We broke out here of a falling wedge, and so far we've come up to levels of resistance where we created them in the wedge, and that's what you see. That's what you see in falling wedges, you know, on any time frame. Let's take a look. So it's doing really, really well. Okay, so you retrace to this high, look, you hit a level of resistance, this high, hit a level of resistance, this high, hit a level of resistance. Where's your next high? It's up here. You've got a high there, potentially at the 786. Look, so you can see you run into resistance 786. Do what you did here. You know, people shit themselves, coiling up for another breakout, and then you break that. You're at 23 cents. You've retraced. You're at the high, and then you're at extensions, aren't you? You're looking at our Fibonacci extensions up there for Vechain. So you know, this is why I kept saying the whole way down here. You know, just look at Vechain. It's giving the game away. We're not in a bear market. We're in a corrective phase of a bull market. We're going to break out, and we're looking at continuation. And Vechain is the most beautiful chart in crypto. Period. It is, because it's a cheat sheet basically. The one thing it didn't do is add the whip down correction down to the previous W bottom, which was anticipating, and it would have come if it had lost a key level support just there, this low. I said to you, if you lose support, you're looking at that retest of that W bottom, because it's exactly what it did before. But that's the only thing that we've not had. I'm not saying though we can come up here and have a correction down to this level. That could happen, but I don't necessarily anticipate a whip down to this right now, because that's a whopping correction from here. You know, you're looking at about a 30-40% correction. I don't necessarily see that. Yeah, okay, but because I don't see it does not mean it won't happen. But I always make you aware of key levels of support and resistance moving forward. And right now you've broken out of a key level resistance, so you are in a technical target again, you know, because like this one, you broke out of that level resistance, and what did it say to you? You're coming all the way up. Boom. You came all the way up. You're broken out of a W bottom. What does it say to you? You're going to come all the way up. Boom, you come all the way up. Right now, you're breaking out that key level resistance. I'm telling you, you're going to come to 23 cents. What's going to happen? You're going to come to 23 cents. So from there, you're looking at a fantastic long up. You know, you broke this key level resistance just here. For Vechain, where are we? This key level resistance. You're looking at a whopper, 67% trade. You know, with a fib extension as well, with a retracement, you're looking at a 142% long there, and you're looking at a potential 564% long from that break. And that was, you know, confluence to the fact that when you got this break here, that was a fantastic long opportunity of around 1,100% for Vechain. So that's it. That's pretty much all I can say about Vechain. It's doing really, really well. You know, you're breaking out resistance slowly, just like you did down here. Okay, I'm not saying you're not going to have a correction or roll back to a key level support, because you can see that's what happens with Vechain. You go up, you come down, you go up, you come down, you go up, you come down. There will be corrections along the way, but so far you're breaking out major levels of resistance. You've got nothing but technical targets to the upside. You're going to fall back to support of those key levels of targets, you know, resistance that you break for continuation. Enjoy the ride, everyone. Enjoy the ride, and thank you for the really nice comments on these videos as well, and you supporting the Patreon. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Vechain. But yeah, so far you're in a technical target 23 cents. Take care. Bye bye.